So exercise 8.4, the first problem is to express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So expressing one ratio in terms of the other. We are using here the identity cosec square A minus cot square is equal to 1, or 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So then you can write it as cosec square A is 1 by sin A. Cosec is 1 by sin. So cosec square A can be written as 1 by sin square A. This is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So sin square A will be, take the reciprocal on both sides. So this will become sin square A and this will become 1 by 1 plus cot square A. And then take square root of the entire thing. So it will be square root of 1 by 1 plus cot square A. Now square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 1 plus cot square A. For expressing sec A in terms of cot A, I will be using the identity sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square A, and tan I can easily express in terms of cot as 1 by cot square A. Then second step I will write tan square A is 1 by cot square A. So 1 plus 1 by cot square A, here I have taken the LCM. So cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. And then take the square root of this entire term, square root on both sides. So sec A will be square root of cot square A plus 1 divided by cot square A. Now here this is cot A the whole square. So if I take square root of that, I will get cot A. But this one I cannot take square root of that. This is of the form A square plus B square, not of the form A plus B the whole square. So cot square A plus 1 will be left like this only, under root. And this one you can take outside the root. Then tan A in terms of cot A is basic only 1 by cot A. We already know that. Write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. So first we will use sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1, that identity, and write sin square A as 1 minus cos square A. Now since we have to express it in the form of sec A, we already know that sec A is the reciprocal of cos. So if you can express sin in terms of cos, then you will get it in terms of sec also. So 1 minus cos square A, further I have written it as 1 by 1 minus 1 by sec square A. Then taken the LCM, so it will become sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. So sin A will be square root of this entire thing. So when I take the square root of this, numerator will be remaining as it is, square root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. This is what I get. Then cos A we already know it is the reciprocal, so 1 by sec A. Tan A, you can write it as sin A by cos A. Sin A we have already evaluated, this one. So this entire thing will be written in the numerator in place of sin A, and cos A we know it is 1 by sec A. So when you divide, the sec A and sec A will get cancelled and you will get square root of sec square A minus 1. So now we will see cosec A, how you can write in terms of sec A. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin, 1 by sin A. Now sin we have already evaluated, so just take the reciprocal of that. So it will be sec A by square root of sec square A minus 1. And cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Tan A also we have already evaluated. So just take the reciprocal of that. So it will be 1 by square root of sec square A minus 1. So choose the correct option and also justify your choice. Justify means you have to show the steps. So first one is 9 sec square A minus 9 tan square A. This one we have to evaluate. So this one I can take 9 common over here. When I take 9 common, I will get 9 into within bracket sec square A minus tan square A, which I know is 1. Because 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. So if you just transpose the terms, you will get it as 1. So 9 into 1, the answer will be 9. So B is the correct option. Okay, so second part is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. This one you have to evaluate. So here tan I have taken as sin theta by cos theta and sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So this has become like this, 1 by 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Then again here also I have taken cot theta I have written as cos theta by sin theta and cosec theta as 1 by sin theta. So all I have expressed in terms of sin and cos. Then I have taken the LCM. For the first bracket, if you take LCM, LCM will be cos theta. So I will get numerator as cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. Second bracket, the LCM will be sin theta and numerator will be sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now this one, numerator into numerator when you multiply, if you observe carefully, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b, where a is cos theta plus sin theta and b is 1. So this cos theta plus sin theta is a term, 1 is b term. So it is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So numerator can be simplified as cos theta plus sin theta the whole square minus 1 square. And the denominator will be sin theta into cos theta. Now this a plus b the whole square you can expand using the identity. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So using that I have expanded cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 square will be 1. And denominator will be same, cos theta into sin theta. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So this one I have written as 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1. Now this plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So you will get 2 cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta sin theta. Again here cos theta I can cancel, sin theta and sin theta I can cancel. So the answer will be 2. So the correct option here is C. So third part is sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. So sec A I have written as 1 by cos A plus tan A as sin A by cos A. Then the next bracket I have left it as it is 1 minus sin A by 1. Now this first bracket, if you evaluate, you can take cos A as the LCM. So it will be 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A. Now again, the numerator, both the terms are coming in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So it can be written as a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square a. Now 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. Using the identity, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So I will get cos square a by cos a. Now here one of the cos I can cancel out. So the answer will be cos A. That is option D. Now the fourth one is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Now here directly it is in the identity form. 1 plus tan square A is sec square A and 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. Now this can be written as a reciprocal of cos. So sec square A I can write as 1 by cos square A. Cosec square A I can write as 1 by sin square A. So I will get sin square A by cos square A after evaluating this, that is tan square A. So correct option is option D.